Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format your phone. Before you begin, it's crucial to back up all your important data. Use cloud services or transfer files to a computer. Also, make sure your phone has at least 50% battery life. Finally, remove your physical SIM card and any micro SD cards to protect their contents. For Android devices, start by opening your phone settings. Scroll down to find System or General Management, then tap on it. Next, select Reset and choose Factory Data Reset. You will need to confirm this decision, often by entering your screen lock passcode. This process will erase all data from the device. If you have an iPhone, begin by opening the Settings application. Tap on General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Erase all content and settings. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to authorize the complete data wipe. This ensures your device is ready for a new owner. After the reset, your phone will restart, appearing as it did when first unboxed. You can now proceed to set it up as a brand new device or prepare it for a new user. Remember, for future security, always enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. This adds an extra layer of protection to your personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.